Hi, I'm Beth, clinical psychologist and yoga instructor. Thank you for joining me for today's mindfulness-based meditation video. So for today's meditation, I'm going to be leading a guided visualization, and the theme is going to be the theme of a mountain imagery. So if you've joined me for yoga this week, yesterday I filmed a yoga practice with the theme of stand strong. And we worked a lot on mountain pose or Tadasana and the idea of standing strong, finding our firm, steady foundation. So this visualization will be similar to that, using the visual, the imagery of a mountain for a firm, steady foundation. Now, not everybody enjoys visualization or finds that they're able to easily do it. If this isn't the type of meditation practice that works for you, there's plenty of other offerings on my channel. So feel free to choose something else if meditation in this way and visualization is just not your thing. If you are ready to start this practice, find a comfortable seat where you can have hopefully your feet flat on the floor, your spine tall and upright. If you prefer to be lying, that's fine too. The key is that in meditation, we are trying to sustain attention in an intentional way. That's the mindfulness part. And so, however you set yourself up, make sure that you are able to mindfully pay attention. If you like, you can close your eyes. It's not necessary. Sometimes for visualization type meditations, having the eyes closed makes it a little easier to go inward. The alternative is to simply soften your gaze and look down, so kind of an unfocused gaze. Feel comfortable in your seat or your lying posture. Start to turn your attention to your imagination. And then begin to visualize a mountain. Whatever type of picture, a form, a mountain comes to mind for you, see it in your mind's eye as clearly as possible. So as you're picturing this mountain, you want to identify the shape of the mountain. Maybe it's a tall mountain, kind of skinny. Maybe it's more short and squat. What the edges seem like, more jagged or smooth. The colors you see on this mountain. Is it brown, green with trees, white with snow? As you notice whatever this picture of the mountain looks like for you, notice the qualities of being solid, being steady, grounded, secure, perhaps even the idea of wise. Notice how these are permanent features of this strong, steady mountain. And then start to imagine yourself as the mountain. So as you allow yourself to become the mountain, visualize those same qualities in you. That sense of grounding, strength, standing tall. You as the mountain are steady, still, solid, strong. Notice these qualities in yourself, your solid strength, your ability to stand firm, and you as the mountain know that you have those skills, those abilities, regardless of what may come. So whether it's a beautiful sunny day on the mountain, whether it's windy and stormy, as the mountain, you still stand strong. Whatever comes to you, Maybe it's hikers who crowd your sides or are unfriendly to you. Animals that roam up and down. All those things are temporary, while you, as the mountain, are permanent. You stand strong. You remain. Notice those qualities of how you remain and endure regardless of what goes on around you. Notice how things do change around you. The seasons change, the trees change, the animals change. And through each change, you are steady, you remain. As the mountain, you stand strong. Feel where that strength rises from within you. That as the mountain, you have strong foundations, a strong base that connects you to the earth, an unshakable solidity. You have the ability to stand tall, to stand proud in the face of whatever may come, whatever changes each new day brings, whatever changes time may bring. And then in this last part of this meditation, feel not just yourself as the mountain, but yourself as you. Can you retain those qualities that you visualized in yourself as the mountain? Connect with them in your everyday self. The ways that you have roots, the ways that you're strong, the ways that you endure regardless of what is going on around you. That you remain. You might get weather beaten at times, but you stay and remain. You are strong. You are solid. You are steady. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes or look up. So I hope this visual will help you stand strong no matter what you do, no matter what you face. Take care. Be well.